No one so much as you loves this my clay, or would lament as you its dying day. You know me through and through, though I have not told, and though with what you know you are not bold. None other was so fair as I thought you, not a word can I bear spoken against you. All that I ever did for you seemed coarse, compared with what I hide, nor put in force. My eyes scarce dare meet you, lest they should prove I but respond to you, and do not love you. We look and understand, we cannot speak, except in trifles and words the most weak. For I at most accept your love, regretting that is all I have kept, only threaten. If you liked my videos, please subscribe in the channel. Thank you.